Hello guys from just online money Lou. Today I have no script, but I think about one title. It's why people shouldn't invest right now. I give you a fast answer because the market returned very quickly. That mean for 6 months market is like, I speak for S&P 500 or nasdaq, like I speak for big indexes. It's more than 60% return even for 5-6 months. And people like big investor like Roy Dalio or someone like him, even Warren Buffett, he made like 80 million from investment. Me know he has, but people right now start, because not only because the American have credit like 28 trillion, is because the market return very fast. Like now, okay, for Tesla I can say a lot, but I just can say because they still not selling the cars. There is because everyone who... Hello guys, I'm very sorry to interrupt your video, but I forgot to say something. Just for P&R ratio, that means price and earnings ratio. That's from analyze stuff, and I want just to say about normally the money in the company don't come just from investors. Like when you sell the cars like Tesla, when you sell this car also come from this money. And normally when it's good to do this, not from just because normally the price of one shares for Tesla it's a lot from, like it's good for shares. And P&R ratio show us like how it's okay, or just come money from investor, how it's down like 15 until 30 or even 45 or 50, it will be okay. Then they sell the products like cars, Tesla, and everything is fine. And we can check now for I just give the, you can check guys here the PE, the Tesla P ratio right now. It's in December 18, that's before today's 2020. It's, look, this P&R ratio of Tesla. And yeah, that means the money come normally from investor. Every 18 years old who don't understand what and heard Tesla is good to invest right now, and everyone just invest there. And you check the P/E ratio, that means money come normally from investor, not from the selling the cars. Yes, maybe this price for Tesla for me it can be real after like a year or even more, but for now it's like, for me it's like a lot. And thank you guys, and sorry for interrupting your video. Who has 18 years old and can understand like normal English like my English. Yeah, I don't know why I make a video for YouTube, but this is another tema. Everyone who have 18 years old and internet and network, and basic English, he can invest. And there is a lot now. It's cool to invest, because it's also not good. It's bad to your money to stay in your bank. Like the biggest problem there is inflation. If your money stay like this, just inflation just eat them. And this is the shit because even you don't try. But yeah, if you do the system like buy and hold, it's okay. Or I don't speak never for day trading, but if you speak, if you do like, if you have like your portfolio, if you have some money to be sure you can lose them, then you can invest. But like not all in like directly everything. But I mean, just invest 10% now, 10% when go down. Like if you check Xpeng, another car electric, like Chinese one, she was 72 for shares. Now it's 42. I can sell them in 72 for shares, but I didn't. I just when go down, I keep buying. Like you go down, you buy 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. And when go up, you every time buy it. And yeah, that is the best what I do. When just go down, you just buy, because for me it's like promotion. And yes, why you shouldn't invest right now? Because if you're new investor, for new investor it's not the right moment. Why? Because it's new investor is more like they want everything to be quickly. That means there is very emotional on the market, and that's why if you feel like new or if you are new investors and you are an emotional person, it will be so difficult. If can bazaar go like market go down like month to month or even year to years, it go like slowly down and stay there, and you have to stay like 1-2 years in minus. It will hurt for new investor, and you say what? Not I don't speak for every shares, but can be the like, because now companies start because still with Pfizer, with like vaccination, everything's going slowly now. New virus, everything is still. We still have a problem. You look down, and yeah, that's why you have to. I mean, the best if I can suggest you to invest, I would suggest to invest in something when you really believe and you really like after 5-10 years, even 20 years, if you really like this company, you can invest. But if you just want to do some money right now, it's like a so huge price from everything. You can check. I can put some here, some like window like windows, and yeah, no one buy like the most huge price. This is the, how to say, this the worst thing you can do, because every now and then we buy down and sell up, and not buy up and like just to stay emotional until go again up. And that's why guys, if you're like you don't feel emotional, you use this system. When go down, you keep buying, not all in. You can invest, but no, everything you can. I'm not like finance advisor, that's why you can do whatever you want. I just give my opinion, because investment is cool, really cool. It come passive incomes, but first make your research and then you can, yeah, you can start. Thank you guys. If you like this video, let me know, and if you don't like it, just give me dislike to know for my future what to do. Okay, thank you guys, and yeah, see you soon, and I wish you have a nice day.